Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So finally the 108 megapixel camera, the race is just begun. The Xiaomi Mi 10 and the 10 Pro are finally official with a 4 camera apiece and a Snapdragon 865. Both phones support a wireless charge and are the first Mi branded device with a punch hole in the display for the selfie camera. Their headline feature is on the back through the 108 megapixel giant sensor. As first seen on the Mi Note 10, they also come with great connectivity support going all the way to the SA and NSA 5G and Wi-Fi 6. First of all, we're talking about the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. The more impressive of two is definitely the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. It comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with a curved edge. The panel supports 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. This is a great news for the PUBG lovers and the all gamers. The company is already provide of its display, which can reach up to 1290 peak brightness, can have 4096 level of a brightness adjustment and DC dimming. The biggest talking point of the Mi 10 Pro is the camera. The 108 megapixel sensor has an 8 pixel lens that one more than even the Mi Note 10 Pro, and it's flanked by 3 other impressive camera. A long telephoto lens supporting 10x hybrid zoom, a shooter 12 megapixel 2x telephoto for a portrait shoot, and a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle snapper. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 108 megapixel camera comes with OIS and EIS and has plenty of AI enhancement for stills and video recording, the latter coming in resolution all the way 8K video recording. The Mi 10 Pro come 3 memory configuration, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. They all use the latest available tech, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. On the inside, there is a 4500 mAh battery that can be charged up to 450 watt through a cable, 30 watt wireless, and can output up to 10 watt of reverse charging your other gadgets. The price of the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro are starting Chinese yuan 4,999 yuan, which is equal $715 for the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The second variant of this phone is cost Chinese yuan 5,499, equal $787, and the phone has a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The third variant is the biggest, 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, cost Chinese yuan 5,999, equal $860, and the phone is scheduled to arrive on February 18 for pre-order in 2 colors, blue and white. Now coming up to the Mi 10, the vanilla Mi 10 retains the 6.67-inch AMOLED screen as well as the 108 megapixel main shooter on the back. However, it loses both telephoto camera, bringing a 2 megapixel deep sensor and a 2 megapixel macro shooter instead. The ultra wide unit is also downgraded to 13 megapixel resolution. The Mi 10 also comes with the speedy DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage and will keep shooting video in 8K like its big brother. It even outdoes the Pro with its 4780 mAh battery, but only offers 30 watt weighted charging. Impressively enough, it retains the 30 watt wireless charging, meaning that it can charge just quick both ways. The 10 watt reverse charging is available as well in the Xiaomi Mi 10. The Xiaomi Mi 10 available in peach gold, green and black. Launching today at exactly 10 AM Chinese time, the Mi 10 will start selling in peach gold, green and black. The price of this Xiaomi Mi 10 is Chinese yuan 3,999, equal $572 for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The second version of this phone available in Chinese yuan 4,299, equal $615 for the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The third variant of this Xiaomi Mi 10 available in Chinese yuan 4,699 yuan, equal $673 for the top 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone was supposed to be globally announced in Barcelona as part of the MWC 2020, but since the conference is cancelled. So let me know your thought in the comment section about these two smartphones. The beast smartphone from the Xiaomi 108 megapixel camera is really surprisingly. I'll make more video on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro smartphone, and also I make the comparison video of this smartphone. So check it out, the comparison video, and also check it the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro zoom video, and also the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro camera and the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera comparison video. Let me know your thought in the comment section about these two smartphones, and if you don't subscribe my channel, hit that subscribe button and enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.